Hey there. So this is going to be a super quick video because as the title of the video suggests, I'm going to show you how you can add or automatically add page numbers to your presentation in Canva. So whether it's a presentation or some sort of document of any sort, once you're in Canva, they do have an automatic page numbering system. And this, a lot of folks have been waiting for this. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. So I've got a sample presentation here. There are 10 pages altogether. And as you'll notice, there are no page numbers on them. Okay. So first things first, we're going to head to text. And right here, you're going to notice page number right below dynamic text. Okay. Go ahead and click on that. And right away, it gives me the page number because the format that automatically gets selected is numbers only. Okay. So we'll scroll down. You'll see page 2, 3, 4, and so forth. Now, they are a total of 3 different formats that you can choose. So numbers only, page plus the number, or you can have page 1 of 10, 2 of 10, and so forth. I'm going to show you them all. Let's click on page plus number, and it automatically shows page 1, page 2, like it spells out the word page. Next, we're going to choose page X of Y. And now it shows me page 1 of 10, 2 of 10, and it'll go all the way to the end. Okay. Now let's go back and choose numbers only. So we're back at 1. Now there are times when we actually don't need the number to be on your right. Maybe we want it in the center. So in that case, what we'll do is we'll click on the first one and we will drag it to the center. Okay. You can position it. Let's position it to make sure it is the center by clicking that. There we go. Click on that. We're going to go back to text, page number, and then we're going to say, let me scroll to the page 2 so you could see. See, page 2, it's still here. But we want it to be directly in the middle. And then we're going to click apply properties to all pages. There we go. I've just applied that. And look at that. Your numbering system is now in the middle. How super cool is that? You can also change the font. So maybe you don't want this particular font. You can, choose a different one. And maybe you want the size to be a lot bigger. So first you need to change it on the first page, okay? Then you have to go back to your dynamic text and then you have to choose apply properties to all pages. And just like that, whatever you did on the first page, that feature will automatically go on all of the remaining pages. And of course, you do have the option to remove all of the pages or the page numbers rather. And that's it, guys. It is super easy. I hope you have a chance to try that out. If you do enjoy or you did receive some sort of benefit from this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.